Today we're all going to be cooks. Yeah, we're going to make. Who knows what this is?
Waffles.
Waffles. Do you like waffles? Yes, it's delicious,
Yes.
right? Yummy. So in order to make waffles, we need to follow a recipe. So this is the recipe. So let's see how many waffles we're going to make today. How many waffles are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 waffles, just like we have 10 INARA friends here today, right? So we are going to make 10 waffles, but we need to follow recipe, right? So we're going to use 2 cups. Okay, we need 2 cups, but we want everyone to have a turn. So I made it into 1/4 cup each. So we each can take a turn, okay? And then we need 1 and 1/3 cup milk, right? So we're going to follow the recipe. So number 1 says heat. I'm gonna turn it on. It's on. And then we have to whisk, but first we need to make our batter. So who wants to help me first? Evan? Oh, very good. Thank you, Evan. Jacob? And into the bowl. Okay. All done now. Ryan? Okay. Good job. Rihanna? Okay, ready? Thank you. Yes. Good job. Ready? So help me. Okay. So I'm gonna whisk it a little like this. And then I'm going to put the milk in. So it says 1 and 1/3. So I have 1 cup right here. I'm gonna use our milk 4. So I'm gonna make 1 cup. 1 cup goes in the batter. And then it says 1/3. So let's see. Oh, this is 1/3. So I'm going to use this one. For the milk. Be careful. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Ready? number 1 says heat. So we're waiting for our waffle maker to heat up. Then we're going to put our waffle mix inside. And I'm going to have everyone come up and help me. Okay? Okay, now we put in our mix into the maker. So we have to wait for it to cook. This one. It's cooking, right? Do you hear that sound? Look at the steam come up. Look everyone, our waffle is ready. And we have to take it out. The waffle is ready. So I'm going to take it out. Wow, look at that waffle. We made it together. 같이 만든 거예요. Look, our 아이나라 waffle.
그래서 여기 바라봐. 많이 나가. 아이고 맛있다.
네. 오케이. 세이가 만들어서 맛있어요?
네.
안녕, 리온나. 아, 너희들도 맛있게 먹네. 오케이. 굿. 아이고, 맛있다. 이렇게. 손 한번 떡 감싸. 굿. 서은은 서 맛있죠?